run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But by all means, keep moving.
The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here today to build this event.
With this note, I would like to give my hottest welcome to our respected correspondent sir, director ma'am, and our beloved friends. Good evening, everyone, to this spectacular evening.
Hey, I think you have missed someone, so let me tell the heroes and the heroines of this show, the tantalizing teachers. Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love.
Things let us ever keep in mind. God hears prayer, God heeds prayer, God answers prayer, and God delivers by prayer.
Today, we pray for you a heart free of sadness, a mind free of worries, to our lovable teachers. Prayer song by Madangi.
Your voice tunes the life of lifeless people. Thank you for your prayer song. When lives give us lemon, bring them as lemonade. Welcome to Hot as Metal, Hot as Hell to the Battle of Wales Vidyalaya. With a welcome address by our SPL, Miss Haridra.
Hello everyone, I am your Haridra from 10th A, SPL of Wales Vidyalaya CBSE School, Ambai. I am here to proceed with the welcome address. It's the teacher that makes the difference, not the classroom. Honorable Correspondent Sir, Director Ma'am, Principals, Vice Principal, fellow students and my inspiring teacher, a heartfelt greeting to one and all. On this auspicious occasion, I am grateful and honored to deliver the welcome speech on behalf of the students of our beloved teachers. A teacher is a person who creates human beings and instills care, value, respect and love in them. They put in the minds of all their children the right meaning and significance of his or her life on earth. They strive to make a difference in every student's life. Teachers' Day is essential in the life of a student. The day, 5th September, marks the birthday of our country's remarkable and reputed teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who held the position of India's second president. Teachers are our second parents, who influence our life and always there to guide us during the times of need. So I request our students to follow their advice and put a big beautiful smile on our teacher's face. Thank you.
Thank you, Haridra. Take a break from all you do. Relax, indulge, and enjoy this sweet escape just for you.
Moving on further, I'll bring you the first performance of the day.
Dancers are the athletes of God. Now we have our great dancer Rakshanya to soothe our mind and soul with a traditional dance performance of Tamil Nadu.
Thank you for your splendid performance. For a cause, not for applause. Live life to express, not to impress. I call upon Prasanna to fill our joy with rhymes.
Hi everyone, I'm Prasanna, first standard SSM. I'm here to sing a rhyme. Are you ready? Day by day, you watching how I grow. Step by step, with the knowledge that is so. Right from wrong, you guide me in your way. But you are the reason of what I am today. So happy, 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 happy Teacher's Day. With love one can I smile and telling me in your way. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you on this day. But you are the reason of what I am today. Day by day, you watching how I grow. Step by step, with the knowledge that is so. Right from wrong, you get me in your way. For you are the reason of what I am today. For you are the reason of what I am today. I wish you all a happy Teacher's Day.
It was really amazing.
should not just be sharing of information, but sharing of yourself. I call upon Nandana Radhashri to deliver the speech.
Hi, I'm Nandana Radhashri of 5B from Vels Vidyalaya Basamatram. I'm here to share my thoughts about my lovely teachers on this special Teachers' Day. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind and touches a heart, so we cannot forget them. A teacher is a compass that activates the metal of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom in the pupils. Thank you teachers for guiding us towards the right path. Thank you teachers for making a difference every day. Without you we would have been lost. Thank you teachers for guiding us, inspiring us and making us who we are today. Thank you teachers for putting hard work and giving input for making our best output from us. Great inventors are not born. They are motivated to do great things by teachers like you. Teaching is a profession that teaches all other professions. Last but not least, the person who has confident, courageous, empathic, awesome and smart is none other than person, the teacher. Thank you for giving me this opportunity for sharing about my lovable teachers. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you for your lovable words of wisdom.
நம்பிக்கையோடு உன் முதல் அடியை எடுத்து வை. முழு படிக்கட்டையும் பார்க்க வேண்டிய அவசியமில்லை. முதல் படியில் ஏறு. கவிதை என்பது அழகியல் உணர்ச்சியுடைய ஓர் எழுத்து இலக்கிய கலை வடிவமாகும். அதனை கூற வருகிறார்கள் சண்முகப்பிரியா மற்றும் ஹரிணி ஸ்ரீமதி.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் சண்முகப்பிரியா. 5ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆ பிரிவு. வாழ்வின் நகரமே, அகரத்தின் ஆழமே, ஆழத்தின் சுடரே, சுடரின் ஒளி விளக்கே, ஊற்றாய் என் கல்வித் தரம், உருண்டோட ஊற்ற துணையாய், ஊன்றுகோலாய் இருந்திட்ட என் ஆசிரியர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய ஆசிரியர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
வணக்கம். குறும்பு செய்யும் குழந்தையாய் நாங்கள், அதை திருத்தும் தாயாய் நீங்கள், சேட்டைகளின் உச்சமாய் நாங்கள், அதை கண்டிக்கும் தந்தையாய் நீங்கள், கருவறையில் இருக்கும் சிலையாய் நாங்கள், அதை செதுக்கும் சிற்பமாய் நீங்கள், அழகிய பூக்கள் நாங்கள், அதை மலரச் செய்பவர்கள் நீங்கள், புகழின் உச்சியில் நாங்கள், அதை அடைய உதவும் ஏணியாய் நீங்கள், உயரத்தில் பறக்கும் பட்டமாய் நாங்கள், அதற்கு உதவும் கயிறாய் நீங்கள், முத்துக்கு சேர்ப்பவர்கள் நாங்கள், அதற்கு மூச்சடக்கி முத்து குளிப்பவர்கள் நீங்கள், மொத்தத்தில் அன்னையாய், தந்தையாய், கடவுளாய், அன்னோரும் ஓருருவாய் ஆன என் ஆசான் நீங்கள். இனிய ஆசிரியர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
உங்கள் கவிதையால் எங்களை மெய்சிலிர்க்க வைத்தமைக்கு நன்றி.
Fantastic magical things can happen, and it all starts with a wish. Here comes our students of Vels Vidyalaya to express their virtual wishes.
Good evening to all. I am Gavin. I am lucky to have teacher like you. You are fabulous guys. You all. Thank you for you. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. To all, our teacher, our hero. To respect my teacher. I am very grateful to have a nice teacher like you. Thanks for caring me, inspiring me, and teaching me. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day. Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. My role model. You are my role model. Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. All my teachers. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. To all my teachers. Your best friend. Role model. I love you, teacher.
I praise
I praise you, teacher.
teachers.
I thank you, teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teachers to all my teachers. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Good evening to all. I am Aditya Wills to Dayati Basic School. I'm Bay. Happy Teacher's Day. I love you so much. Thank you for all the support and encouragement. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. The best teachers teach from the heart, not from the book. Your work is greatly appreciated. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Hello, ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Abdul Sakur. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. Good morning. I am Ajay Manaraj, second C West Vidyalaya CBSE School Ambassador. Our teachers are very kind. My teacher is very sweet and just like mother to me. Teaching is one of the honorable job to ever. On the 5th day of September month as the Teacher Day. Teacher Day is most celebrated day. Schools and colleges. Thank you. Happy Teacher Day. Good morning to all my respected teachers. I am Sri Ramasdasan. I am studying 2nd standard C section in Wales Vidyalaya CBSE School Ambassador. Respected teachers, I would be nothing without you. Please bless me, you all. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, my dear all respected teachers. Hello, everyone. Respected teachers and my dear friends. I begin my speech with a beautiful slogan. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo
scholar and an excellent teacher. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. Thank you, teacher. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher, for everything. I thank you, teacher. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. Happy.
I am English. I am studying first standard in CBSE School Ambasamthiram. They support us, they inspire, they guide us, they teach us. Today, they to thank them. Happy Teachers Day. Good evening to all. I am Ruth J. Olivia of grade 1A. Teaching is a work of art. Happy Teachers Day to you all. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Arjun from first year. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of light, you are my gift from God. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of light. You are my gift from God. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
What? I am Anas from 2nd Standard B section. I wish all the teachers Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Today is the day, special day. I'm going to tell about that. They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day to thank them and say Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Science Arun. Happy Teachers for my all teachers. Good afternoon, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day. I'm Srinari. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. I'm Nishika. Happy Teachers Day. I'm Maurice Kishore. Happy Teachers Day. All my teachers. They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is day to thank them and say Happy Teachers Day. Thank you all. Welcome. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you all. I am Jay Krishna. Happy Teachers Day. I am going to perform a song. Teacher, see the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. Happy Teachers Day, thank you. Good evening, teachers and friends. My name is Salam Fazil. Today we celebrate Radhakrishnan birthday and Teachers Day. And the best teacher teach from heart, not from book. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. வணக்கங்க. ஆசிரியர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Hi everyone, today is very special day. Yes, today is Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you to all.
Thank you all.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. To all my teachers. To all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. You are my best friend. You are my role model. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers. Happy Teachers Day. All the teachers have you.
And
guiding us. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teacher Day
To my
to my
lovely teacher.
lovely teacher.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day to Sir and Ma'am.
I wish all my teachers a happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Wishing all my teachers a very happy Teachers Day.
My dear teachers, wish you all a happy Teachers Day.
Hi everyone, I am Roshni of class 8 standard from Wales Vidyalaya Ambasamutram. On this special occasion, I wish to thank all my teachers who brightened my life. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
I'm Shamita from 8A at Wales Vidyalaya Ambasamutram. Good teachers know how to bring out the best in students. I have found guidance, discipline, love and friendship all in one person. Thank you dearest teacher for your life lessons, and we thank all the teachers for your hard work and playing such an important role in shaping students' education. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, Nanu.
Hi everyone, I am Prithvi Raji of class 2nd standard. On this special occasion, thank to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Teachers, a happy Teachers Day. On this special day, I would like to thank you for all the efforts you have put in to make me a better person in my life. Happy Teachers Day.
These are all our heartfelt thanks to our beloved teachers.
Worrying about what's gone by. start celebrating what lies ahead. We would like inviting you to the world of mimicry by Ram Gopan.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். ஆசிரியர் தினம் ஐயா ராதாகிருஷ்ணன் அவரோட பிறந்த நாள் தான் ஆசிரியர் தினமாக எல்லா வருஷமும் நம்ம ஸ்கூலில் கொண்டாடிட்டு வந்தாங்க. ஆனால் இந்த வருஷம் இந்த கரோனாவா ஆளாளுக்கு ஒவ்வொரு பேர் சொல்கிறாங்க ஐயா. அதனால இந்த வருஷம் கொண்டாட முடியல. 6 மாசம்னா பிள்ளைங்க வீட்லயே இருக்காங்க ஐயா. பேரண்ட்ஸால மேய்க்க முடியல, பார்க்க முடியல, 4 அடி போட்டு உட்கார வைக்க கூட முடியல. 2 பிள்ளையும் மேய்க்க முடியல. 40 பிள்ளைங்க அடிக்கப்படாது, திட்டப்படாது, அவங்க படிக்க வைக்கணும். அதான் என் டீச்சரு. உலகில் 2 புனிதமான இடங்கள் உண்டு. ஒன்று தாயின் கருவறை, மற்றொன்று ஆசிரியரின் வகுப்பறை. தாயின் கருவறையில் உயிர் பெறுகிறான், ஆசிரியரின் வகுப்பறையில் அறிவு பெறுகிறான். காணொலி போல பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் என் அன்பு உள்ளங்களுக்கு ஆசிரியர் தின வாழ்த்துக்கள். நான் இவ்வளோ பெரிய ஆளாக வளர்ந்து உங்கள் முன்னாடி இருந்து பேசுகிறேன்னா அது காரணம் என் பெற்றோர்கள் மட்டும் இல்லை, என் ஆசிரியரும் தான். சொல்லுவாங்க பாம்பை பார்த்தா படையும் நடுங்குன்னு. என் சிறு வயசில் என் ஆசிரியரை பார்த்து நான் நடங்கினேன். இந்த நாட்களில் ஆட்கொல்லி வைரஸ் ஒரு பக்கம், ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் இன்னொரு பக்கம், நடுவில் இந்த டீச்சர்ஸ் ரொம்ப பாடுபடுறாங்க, சாப்பிடாம கொள்ளாமல் உங்களுக்காக கிளாஸ் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஆனால் நம்ம ஆள் சாப்பிட்டுக்கிட்டே கிளாஸை பிக்கப் பண்ணுறான். இங்கே பாருங்கள், நான் அவங்ககிட்ட ஒன்று மட்டும் சொல்லுவேன். டீச்சர்ஸ்னால் அன்பாக பேசணும், ஆழமாக யோசிக்க வைக்கணும். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்னால் அடக்கமாக இருக்கணும், ஆர்வமாக கற்றுக்கணும்.
Your voices confused us for a moment. We cannot imagine that how accurate you were.
We dance for madness, we dance for fears.
We dance for hopes, we dance for screams.
We are the dancers and we create the dreams. Here we have our great dancers to fire the day.
Thank you for your enthusiastic performance. It was really dazzling. With ordinary talent and extraordinary perseverance, all things are attainable.
Is more urgent than that of returning thanks. So we have our ASPL Ms. Srivashni to show her gratitude.
Warm and charming welcome to our most valued Honorable Chief Guest, Management Committee, worthy teachers, parents, and my dear friends, and everyone gathered here. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of who worked really hard to make this Teachers' Day happen. I, Srivashni, on behalf of Wales Vidyalaya and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all, extend my most sincere thanks to my friends who worked a lot for this auspicious occasion. Our sharp gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without your support, children were not being able to achieve excellence. Thank you so much for attending this event. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars that made this event joyful with their impressive performances. Your day of heart were evident in your acts. All the programs were very good and were enjoyed by each one of us present here. Last but not least, in this pandemic situation, the real heroes and heroines of students are our precious teachers. A special thanks to them.
A great teachers never try to be the best teachers. They simply try to bring out the best in their students. Our children are so talented who can be so versatile. They can do their job really well, and that's proven right in front of you.
For all you do, for all you are. Thank you all.